trying to get back to recording videos because I seem to enjoy it and I want to. I have this sudden motivation to do it and thinking that it will be interesting. Anyway, I'm doing a challenge, a monthly challenge, a 30-day challenge of no by September. ये वेस्टर्न कल्चर में it's very common. I have seen finance influencers do it a lot. I will link their videos down because I've got the idea from them. Go 30 days without spending. Now there will be a few rules. I can spend on the necessities, but I have to not splurge or even buy the things that I want. I can only spend on the things that I need. Hopefully this challenge will be a good reminder for me to not spend money recklessly. I know it's not easy and I know I could fail or slip up in between, but I'm not going to be very harsh about it. Alright, it's just to improve myself, nothing else. You don't have to do it. I am not preaching because I have not done it yet and I might not be able to do it, but I am hoping I will be able to do it. I'm putting it down in the universe. Anyway, so today was the 1st of September, first day of this challenge, and it was a Sunday. Usually I go out on Sundays, but today I went out with a friend for a drive, so that I didn't have to spend. I made coffee for myself and for him, so there was no spending on the coffee. Also, we didn't go to a restaurant or cafe. We just sat in the car in a park and we drew. So this is our level of drawing, but whatever, we enjoyed it. It was a nice refreshing thing to do. Apart from going on the cafes, we were bored of it. I am bored of it. I didn't have to spend the money, so day one pretty well. We'll do a weekly check-in. Hopefully I won't spend the money. Alright, that's it for day one. Update. It's the end of the first week. That means I have completed 7 days of this no spend challenge. But wait a minute. But there was a hiccup. 6th of September, I had this allergy flared up. So I had to go to the doctor. So I am considering it as a emergency, so I will still continue my no spend challenge. I was thinking कि अब खर्चा हो गया एक दिन and no spend challenge तो fail हो गया, तो I should stop. But of course life goes on, तो ये सब तो होता रहेगा. So I thought of sticking to my challenge. I will start the challenge again, or not start, I'll resume it. And that was a medical expense, so it had to be done. There was no stopping it. So yeah, this is day 7 update. First week of challenge done. I did spend at the doctor, so excluding that I didn't do anything. Of course I paid my gym membership fees and I filled up the petrol. Certain expenses would be there, but that are like my needs. Of course, basic food, shelter, clothes, of course those are the needs, but we are talking about no spend, but realistic no spend challenge. I don't want to spend on useless stuff or hoarding stuff. I don't want to do that. Tomorrow is the second week of September, which is a Sunday, because it's Ganesh Chaturthi from today. So tomorrow I'm going to my mama's house, so I don't have to spend. 18th of September. Today is the starting of the third week. It is a Sunday. I didn't go anywhere because I didn't want to spend. Week 2 was much better than week 1. Week 2 was a success. I didn't spend anything. One day after the gym I was very hungry and I forgot to bring my snack. तो मेरे फ्रेंड ने पे कर दिया मेरे लिए एक वड़ा पाव के लिए. Anyway, I was almost going to buy myself that vada pav and I asked my friend if he could, and he did. So that's good. Now let's look at week 3. Tomorrow I have to go to my friend for Ganpati. So I'm thinking of instead of buying the prasad from the sweet shop, I will just make the kadao prasad in my home and chada dungi main wahi. So I think that will save us for the 3rd week as well. Looking good. Honestly, this no spend challenge is actually pretty good. I didn't think that I would be able to do it for 2 weeks, like without failing in between, but end up proud of myself a little, but not gonna lie. मुझे लगा नहीं था that मैं कर पाऊंगी. मुझे लगा था I will relapse. At least once I will shop for something, and I almost did, but then I stopped and I told myself that I will reward myself with something that I want after completing no buy. So yeah. Also, I'm spending a lot of time at my home. I'm spending a lot of time cooking snacks for myself after gym so that I don't have to eat out. That's a good thing. I'm getting better at cooking snacks. My sister will agree to it. Hi, it's 30th September. Today is my last day of no spend September or a low buy September, and successful. Lastly, 30 progress. Hello, so it's been a week since I completed the no spend challenge in September. Today is 7th of October. I wanted to conclude this video by telling you a few things that I learned along the way. So the things that I spent on in this month were gym, petrol, I got my eyebrow threaded once, and a subscription, a Google subscription and a Netflix subscription. But these 5 things I already knew were going to happen, so I did include it at the beginning of the month in my budget. So I knew this was going to happen. Excluding that, I did spend once in the first week. Other than that, I didn't spend anywhere, and I would consider this a successful no spend September. What I would like to include in my life from now onwards is to have 1 week of low spend or no spend in every month, or 1 day of no spend in every week, because I cannot do low spend or no spend month again and again often, because I do require things. I'm not a minimalist, but I would like to adopt the minimalist lifestyle, like trying to be, not fully, because I know that's a lot of commitment and I am not ready to do that. The things that I did learn were, I tried a lot of hobbies. For example, I got into sketching, I got into coloring, I got into cooking. I can live without shopping, or at least I would think before buying anything from now on. It would be a conscious choice to wait before impulsively shopping it. So I did control my impulse buying. So in conclusion, I happened to do more of my hobbies which I wanted to in this year, and I did control my shopping. I would not say it was an addiction, but it was on the way to become an addiction. So I am glad that I stopped it, and I would think twice before buying anything, because I'm in the process of decluttering and having less and less of items that I own. What I want from you guys is, let me know if there are any tips and tricks for this, or yeah, drop in your comments. That's it.